Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is January the 5th, 2021, and on this particular video, we are going to give y'all an update on AMD stock. We're going to give y'all an expectation, a forecast, a prediction as to where we are expecting the trap to take the value of this particular market. Now, before I do, if this is your first time watching our video, make sure before you go, you hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel. Also, I want to tell you all about our membership perks. We just launched this on yesterday. We have two perks to offer. The first one is called our apprentice perk. Simply give everyone the opportunity to show loyalty badges next to your name in our comment section as well as on our live chat. We also created custom emojis so that you can also learn how to call the markets based off of the emojis that you pick on the videos that we conduct, as well as during our live chat. We want you all to tell us what you think about these particular markets that we are covering. Do you think these particular stocks are strong? Do you think they're weak? Do you think it's extremely bullish? And also, when we have those outside comments on our videos, just simply tell people to stop. So we also give you that ability to try to call people out in regards to the comments that they leave on our particular videos. Now, if you want to get a little bit more engagement with us, we do have an artisan package to where you can engage, ask us questions during our lookout live stream sessions. Our strict focus is just going to be on our artisan members. We can converse, we can talk about the market, what your expectations are, so you can also learn how to predict where prices are likely to go. So if any one of those perks is interesting to you, there they are. Simply come in, join, and you become part of our community. First, I want to say thanks to Martin J as well as Robert Bruce. Those are our newest members on our particular platform. I want to thank each and every one of you for believing in our content, for enjoying and also backing your belief in the content that we are producing here on YouTube. So appreciate those two individuals for signing up. So here we are, AMD stock. The last time we did our video for AMD stock was on November the 24th, 2020. And here we are, fully transparent. We told you all to expect the trap to increase the value of AMD stock. And what do you know? He did precisely that. He increased the value of AMD stock. Here it is. November 23rd, we had the restriction area already marked right there around $87.50. We had our ultimate TP price around 90. So if anything, you could have topped out with that ultimate take profit on November the 30th. So what? 6 days from when we did our video on the 24th to the 30th. Congratulations. That's one thing we want to do here. We want to congratulate each and every one of you for calling the market. If you also saw that the trap was going to increase the value of AMD stock, you profited from that particular market move because we were there anticipating that on November 24th. That ultimate TP came out on the 30th. So at least 5.39% probability was had in the market from that prediction. Or if you want to get out right now, the market 8.32 at the highs, 14. Congratulations. So now that is done, that is over. Let's erase the board and let's take a look at the market now in AMD stock. Because obviously, what do you see has changed since our last video? Because we was watching the market in AMD bouncing in our channel, right? And then what happened? We broke out. The market in AMD broke out of that channel. So the trend in the market in AMD is still one of bullishness, right? The market is still reflecting to us that it is a strong market. So going forward, what do you think the market support area is going to be at now? Is it down here around 74 or $88? Exactly. The new support area into the market in AMD needs to rest at $88. Okay, going forward. If the trap breaks this particular price level, we are no longer in a bullish trend. This is the new area of support. So as we do see this weakness enter the market in AMD stock, $88 is our pinch point for us to understand that something has changed in the market. Next thing, this is the overall trend right now in the market in AMD. Okay. So it's very good. Now, this is the current long-term trend into the market in AMD. This is the nearest term trend that the market in AMD is currently showing. Okay, so we broke out of this particular area. So the trend is still one of bullishness. Okay, now let me zoom in real quick and let's see how the market in AMD is reflecting. Okay, because we're still on a daily basis seeing this market in AMD trading within the channel. Right there around $90 is support, up there towards 98. So there's an $8 gap in between where sellers are at and the buyers are stating. Okay, so the trap is trading the market in between those particular areas for AMD. Now, when you're trading at all-time highs, you need to be careful in regards to where the trap is going to place the stoppage as to how high the market is going to go. You guys can see here, there's definitely indications of market selling going on in AMD around $96 to $98. How do I know? Well, because the market is closing on many 3-day price bars. We're closing off of the highs. If the market truly was strong, we'll see this market close on the highs of these price bars, but it's not. So we're definitely a little bit more cautious as to how high the market trap is going to try to take the value of AMD. So what about on the 5-day time frame? Again, we're still seeing the market in AMD reflecting that there's profit taking going on at these price levels. On a weekly time frame, here we are. Y'all can still see this, but the market is not really reacting to it in a negative light. The market is still upholding a lot of the selling that is going on, especially when we look at these multiple time frames. Right? So what do you expect the market in AMD to do? When you look at it on the monthly time frame, last month we saw a lot of volume, about the same amount of volume in the month of November. But look at the spread on the current month of November. The spread on last month was a lot wider than the current month. So definitely there's selling going on into the market in AMD on these time frames. Okay, 4-hour chart, you can see it right here again. A lot of volume came in on this last completed 4-hour bar, and this market still did not fall. So the expectations for us will be for the market to, at best, keep the same trading channel from $88 as support all the way back up there towards 98. At least we're expecting the market to trade within that range. Okay, now looking at this particular time frames, we're still going to play the strength in the market though. Okay, we're going to hold that support area around $88. Ultimately, we would like to see the trap hold 90. That's even better. And we're going to hold that restriction area around 98 again. Okay, so yeah, we're still going to play the strength into the market in AMD, but we're cautious. Okay, because $96, $98, there is individuals in the market that is taking profits in this space. So we got to acknowledge that. But for the most part, it has been maintaining itself. So we're going to continue to play the strength in the market at AMD. For our newest members, for all of our members, now it's your turn to call the market. What do you expect AMD stock to do over the next couple of weeks? Do you see the market strong? Do you see it weak? Are we going to continue to be on fire? Is the market going to continue to go higher in price? Let us know with your emoji in the comment section of this video. Everyone else, what are you waiting for? Start calling the market so you can get in position and profit right alongside everyone else. And that's it. Make sure you maintain a profitability. Go and trade different.